Muskan of St. Thomas English High School. I have recently passed my 10th standard. I have scored 95%. I have got highest in English. As I thank my teachers and my dear principal, everyone, for their support and good education. As we are the students of St. Thomas, we are continuing our education in St. Thomas PU College. I request everyone to join St. Thomas PU College. Thanks.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ 6 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಬರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಸಹ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾದಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟು ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾದಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಚೆಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಶುಲ್ಕವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಅತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಶುಲ್ಕವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೇನೂ ಸಹ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Hello, my name is Taneem. I was studying in St. Thomas English High School. Our teacher was our backbone. They supported us in every moment. If we were having some doubts, they used to clear. We were having special classes also. Still end of exam, they used to help us. Whichever doubts we have our teachers have cleared, and I am very much thankful that I have got this kind of school, and I thank my teachers. They have supported me a lot. Thank you.
Myself Amruta Ghodke N, representing myself as a science teacher for grade 9th and 10th. I do handle subject science, physics, chemistry and biology. I take a proud privilege to tell that I am working from past 9 years in St. Thomas English High School under this management. This is my 10th year. I had a good experience of working with such a good management who kindly cooperate not only with teachers but also students. Here every year we do secure 100% of result for SSLC, and we have a good training for grade 8th and 9th. I myself, being a part of the school, I really feel blessed. Inshallah, next year also we are going to do very more good creativity activities for grade 8th and 9th and to give a good citizens to India. This here we thank all the students who really are very obedient, sincere and dedicated to their studies. We get lots of interest giving them all the co-curricular activities starting from junior section, and we really thank our parents for their kind cooperation with us. Thank you so much. I especially thank our Noreen ma'am, who is really hardworking, dedicated and showing the women empowerment in our school. I really thank St. Thomas English High School to give me a chance to be a part of them, and I would like that I would give my dedicated service to the school for many more years. I really thank you everyone, sir.
Myself Manvita from St. Thomas English High School. Here teachers are very good. They help us in every way. They keep special classes and we'll have a very good faculty here. And principal ma'am is there as a backbone for us, and they'll help us in every way for students.
Good afternoon. My name is Aarti. I've been working as HM here from past 5 years. So we have got a very good ventures this academic year, where we have been lot of changes, and according to our academic year what we did last year, we had a very good difference, and with the support of parents we have very good admissions, and with that support only we have planned our PUC also, where we are going to start, and we are having ICSE and CBSE in state syllabus here, and we have got very good result consecutive 3 years we had very good result of 10th standard batch, and this year we have 3 students who have scored up to 98, 97 in all the most of the subjects is, and in the future also we are planning to have a very good admissions this year. By God's grace, we had a very good admissions, and still it's going on for ICSE and CBSE syllabus and so. And our 5th standard board exam, what they have written, we had a very good result this year, and even the 10th standard also we had. And next year we are planning, this year, academic year, we have our first PUC also we are going to start, and we have a boys and girls section separately where we are having a girls block in this, and we have a new building we have started where the boys will be having in that block also. And this year a very good admissions we are expecting from yours also. Without parent support also we are not able to grow up ourselves. And about the management, we have almost we have here more than 17 years with a good support of management. We have a chairman sir who is supporting us in every field actually, and with his support only we have come to this stage, and the next future 5 years what we are down we will have a very good future with our students also along with their parents also. Thank you sir.
I Aslam Basha, secretary of this school. This school is started up in 1986. In this area there are 4-5 schools are there. For our Muslim and other caste also, we want to develop this area. We start up the school. This is school from LKG to 10th standards are there. Mostly in this area, Kankanagar, the other schools are there. For this other school, we want to improve our school. We want to grow up our school, grow up our children, grow up our area children and all.
Hello everyone. I principal of St. Thomas English High School. As I have done my MSc in clinical child psychology, my education background, I was much interested with the education of children. So after I got married, I started my journey with a Montessori school called Little Champs in JC Nagar. Down the lane we got a very good response from the parents. We gave affordable fee structure with quality education. And that's how we came into St. Thomas. From the time we have entered St. Thomas, we have given the best education. More efforts are put by us so that every child deserves quality education. The fee structure should not be a barrier to the education. Nowadays, we see so many schools coming up with high fee structures where parents feel very difficult that, to put them into admissions, the donations, so much it is going on. So in our St. Thomas, we promise to give everyone a quality education with a minimal fees, affordable fee structure. With regard to our teachers, they are very dedicated. The staff is very supportive. Our students are very dedicated. I am proud that my students coming from such background, the enthusiasm they have towards teaching, enthusiasm of having a good life, enthusiasm of coming up from that status and reaching a very good status in their life for themselves, for parents. I appreciate my students for supporting us. I appreciate my parents to understanding what St. Thomas is trying to give them. From the past 5 consecutive years, we have been giving 100% SLC result. The special classes, the efforts, the extra time taken by our teachers only for the sake of students. We come up in the morning 7 o'clock till the evening 5 o'clock. We are taking care of our children so that they become good citizens of our country, as also they come up in their life. So that is the main aim of our St. Thomas. Not only with regard to this, we have improved a lot with regard to infrastructure, with regard to computer facilities, lab facilities, smart board facilities. We also have Montessori special section for the children with the play area. We are coming up with more innovative things like robotics. As we see that technology is improving day by day. So my main aim in the coming future for the education is to give robotics for the children, to give more of technology exposure with regard to science background, with regard to arts background, where nowadays students are also interested in arts field. So we are open up with all the exposure for the students so that they come up in their life.
So what is the fee structure?
Sir, to the max for high school we have 40,000, including the monthly fees, the uniform, the stationery, notebook and classwork. It includes everything. Even the computer fees is included within that. So we don't take, we don't take donations.
It's primary and high school also.
Yes, primary and high school.
कितने बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं?
Currently we have 500 students, sir. Presently we have 500 students. As we started the slow process, every year we are achieving a target of students coming in, understanding, the parents are understanding. For a good education you need to have fancy infrastructure, fancy campus, everything we are also giving here, so that every facility is given in an affordable fee structure.
Hello, good morning everybody. My son was studied in this school last year. He passed SSLC examination last year. This school, St. Thomas School, St. Thomas High School. This management is very cooperative to the parents and also to the students. They gave the best education for them and they cooperated with every needs and the education for the student. And I am very thankful to the management and especially to the Naureen ma'am. She is the principal and she is managing very beautifully and very she is very hardworking, and I thank this management and all the teachers who gave education to my child, and he is passed SSLC with good marks.